People, in my opinion, Tommy Lee is in great danger. The most danger of his life right now. Jaja. I'm going to talk about this. And we are going to revisit the Oney British and Father Fowl shooting and see what really take place. Soon come back.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You are so incredible. Together we are so compatible. And it's gonna be hard to find another like you. You are so incredible.
That song is from George Prophet. And the title is so incredible. And that's the official music video feed. People, I'm going to leave a link in the description for that song. As well as George Prophet have an album. And the album is also called So Incredible. I want to go check it out. Alright? And yes, this is not Garnet Silk a sing. Or one of them old time artists there. No, a George Prophet a sing. And a him write the song as well. People, the song bad. So go and go check it out. George Prophet, big up yourself. Not telling a lie, that song your sound bad.
Girl, when you walk into my life, instantly I could see you made a perfect wife.
So people, Oney British and Fowl, Father Fowl, was a part of the British link-up crew. You see me? And as I say, I go on a refresher about these two people. Because probably some people forget. You know what I mean? So Owen Clark, 62, who was shot and killed by armed men on February 23rd. And that would have been 2019. Clark, known as Father Fowl and Fowl, was a music promoter and had been convicted of dealing drugs. According to Jamaica media, he was a leader of the British link-up crew, a dancehall events business in the UK and Jamaica, which was illegally a front for smuggling drugs. So that's Mr. Owen Clark, who at the time of his death, he was 62. And we hear what going on already. Now we are going to take a look at Alfonso Ariat, right? AKA Oney. Alfonso Ariat, 56, known as Oney British and reportedly part of the same crew as Clark. He was murdered on March 29. Alright, and that's of 2019. So Father Fowl, aka Fowl, he died on February 23. And a month later, Alfonso Ariat, aka Oney British, died. That's on March 29. Now, according to the police, that's the Jamaica police, the gun that killed both Clark and Harriet is the same gun that was found on Tommy Lee. Now, the Jamaica police put this out in the media and it still a puzzle me. It still a puzzle me. Because we all remember when the British them dead, a bag of things go on, people. A bag of things go on. Be a shooting and be a killing. And me I go refresh on the memory. Right? Me I go refresh on the memory right now and just play a snippet or a voice note where did I circulate at that time when them did dead. And them did say a reprisal killing. So listen to the voice note here.
Something weird on that dead enough. Charge that dead enough. Yo! Boom, clad!
People, the voice note they too long. It wouldn't take up the whole 10 minutes of the video. I could play everything. That for show you how much rounds did I beat. People, Them man are never no normal man. So when the police them are go put the murder or try for say the gun where Tommy Lee find with are the same gun we kill Rifle and Oney British. What do you think I gonna happen, people? You know, see, I set up Tommy Lee life. Jesus, please. To the frame where Tommy Lee I get big, you can't even see the picture. John was star. And people, you remember when Rifle they drop, right? And the person them in the background I say, yo, somebody I forgot that back. Somebody. Oh, well on. I have those clippings at the crime scene. Well on the little people. Cause me a refresh on the memory, you know.
Rifle that dog. Clot, really?
If you listen keenly and hear in the background, the brother say, a war this start, you know. John was star, yo. Police, why you not do it? I don't understand. Why would you send out such a information like that in the media? Remember, you know, me as a YouTuber, me have to see this somewhere else to talk about it, you know. Remember, if it in the media itself, me can't talk about it. Maybe in my yard lock up a vlog the whole day. So, if something forward to me on my laptop or on my phone or something like that, I'm not gonna know about it. Me never did it when them a do the ballistic test and all sort of testing. So them put it out and say, yo, that gun here linked to the murder here. But me I wonder if the police them not understand what kind of can of worm them open up. Chano star, me only a pray say what me think I got happen, no really happen. Cause too much killing a go on in Jamaica right now for this happen. Chano, yo, me not even know what to say. I see a particular comment on the last video that I did. And I see it over, where I see that comment there? YouTube? I think over Instagram page. Anyway, I'm going to read what the comment say. Patrick Bolt said, remember they pinned the murder of Rifle to a gunman that was killed last week. Police cleaning their closet. Then he later commented this. This only proved that police killed those two men. And the two men we refer to are Rifle and Oney British. People over YouTube in the comment. Patrick Bolt, big up yourself. More have to ask the viewers them what them think. You feel like a police did really do them killing there? And right now, them see Tommy Lee as a scapegoat, so them can just use Tommy Lee to take the fall. And then again, what I'm saying at the previous video, you know, them offer Tommy Lee, we know that already. That's why I blame Tommy Lee for have gun pan him for police catch you with illegal gun, brother. Anyway, we not talk about that now. In my opinion, I just feel like them really want to put with Tommy Lee. So even if Tommy Lee don't get convicted for these murders and shooting, where them say the gun did involve, you know, when Tommy Lee forward a road, Tommy Lee have to depend on him P's and him Q's. Him have to that all I'm eye them and cross him T's them. All eyes is going to be on Tommy Lee. Tommy Lee, if you run off that 3 years there and you forward back a road, brother, turn up your security. If you can move and go on next country go live, do that. Me I tell you. Cause I don't want to come right here and I do a report say Tommy Lee drop out. And again, I don't want to forward right here and I do a report say Tommy Lee get 20 years. John was star. Anyway, I want to put your thoughts in the comment section below. With all of me just telling you. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. We really want to get an opinion. You see me? And why, brother? I tell you the truth in the family. I never know what to advise you and say right now. So people in the comment section just advise family. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. And let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. And people, remember to check out George Prophet song entitled Credible. I'm out. A one way. And any other way, the wrong way. My God.
You are so incredible. Together we are so compatible.